Good evening. Clearing of our minds. Thinking about the whereabouts, thoughts, happenings, dealings, planning, dramatization, picturization, image searching, visualization, sound, and always searching, which gives the answer, wondering where it happens. Simply, it happens in a brain, and with so much of actual working inside brain, why we won't have the cross connection, the loose connection, the chemical locha, the crossing of paths, the cross, keeping alive to memories in albums inside us. Even disappearing people whom we don't want, or whom we want the person to be like, where inside our world, inside the brain, they changing here inside their brain. So sometimes when it is captured by some higher power, and that power has some bad intentions, suddenly the phone started ringing. And we humans, we don't know, we are thinking about a world, our imagination, but there are powers, higher powers, who can use this against us, who can use it to play with our minds. It is called game, playing games with us. And they can play so much of games with humans, so much that we think We are responsible of it. But where we will keep our things, every action, every memory, the storage goes inside the brain and it is kept with some kind of files which we have not yet opened. But once we think about it, it's like opening through the power of words. Somebody asking us, that is called power of words. And we open that file and the memory is inside that folder. Then the words rotate around. The bad memory, the good memory. Now who is playing with it? We always have kept it untouched behind, somewhere inside the, it's like hidden files inside us, the storage inside our brain. So humans are just like same. The inside storage files can be used, opened by clicking it. And now we are feeling it's impossible, but it is possible. Where all the datas are going, have you thought of? The spoken words data which is outside is also stored, audio video files. But the audio video files which came through a filter from us using our brain, our skills, our memory, our voice, our energy, our chemicals, our organs, so many inputs from human also has the audio video file storage inside us. So many things involved, so many hard work involved, so much capacity of brain used, how much battery gone behind it, that one will tell its own story, how much he spoke about in 1 hour, how much he spoke about a person in 1 hour, how much emotions he had in that 1 hour, how much images he got on his own in 1 hour, how much images he saw from outside and captured inside and kept inside the storage as what kind of file in that 1 hour. One is auto, which your brain is converting the image, which we say imagination, but that is image, which only that one person can tell you, not any science or a person who can view all these images, segregate it and tell you these images are different than these images. These are input images, these are output images. Now output images are those images which we have seen while we were speaking. So out, put, image. So put is what has gone into the brain. It may seem like some very simple words, but it has many meanings to it behind. This I understood, and if the input and output differs later in future, will be explained why. So this part we all human have to understand. Now how I understood all this? I understood all this because there are many ups and downs I went through, and the segregation which is happening inside me is making me now realize and conclude. The people who had seen the images earlier and spoken about but cannot prove it to science, to the other people, the people were correct. They were right. They have seen it. They have spoken with them. They might have received the commands. They might have instructed. But to our surprise, those people who had the images, the command, and instructions never came from the right guides, the right messengers, the right spirits. Why those people who were so harassed always had to tell a story about some paranormal, about some demons? Because they said the fact. Someday this will be proven, and the more sensitive person, the more emotional person gets easily conveyed and convinced than other people. I used to think about this, but to my surprise, that any person can be converted into this and made it in such a way that they will be the same person like the other hypersensitive person. I mean, whatever you think of. No, I am not such kind of person, but you can be made a person who can be hypersensitive. I mean, from optimist, you can go to the extremist. Any chosen word, person can be converted. The problematic part is who can convert this is a real concern. If a person with bad behavior needs some change, and we thought of, if God is converting a person, a bad person, to a good person, we always felt something is happening for good. And it seems like something natural happening, seems like a way given by God, and we always accept it because we cannot think about anything better than it. Why any we will think against? If God is converting a bad person to a good person, will we will have any question to it? No, it's like, something from high, high altitude easily falls down. Why? Due to gravity. Because we say it's law of physics, or this thing is bound to happen. It won't reverse. If we drop, it won't rise. Even I can see balloon rising up. So don't give a second opinion. This is second opinion. From bad to good conversion I'm speaking about. So bad is so heavy, and to convert it, that was an example given. So if something is getting converted for the betterment of the person, for the society, we accepted it as a natural and favorable and God's will. But we never had any doubt. Why? Because we felt happiness in it. Something getting converted for the betterment. Now the question is arising in such a way that even I doubt. Why we will doubt our happiness? Why we will doubt our everything I have? Why we will doubt if everything is running smoothly? Why we will doubt if nothing bad is happening in our life? Why we will doubt? We will think God is there, and because of Him everything is now smooth. Now smooth means maybe we may had seen something, and something which is higher, not favorable, and something low happens. Then we think, okay, if this is not happening, means the higher bad is not happening. If I am now I am on this stage, we can understand the problem I am facing. It's like I should write on a board and speak about. So we human know the science. If the bad is higher, on higher altitude, and if it's that is not happening, we are on the lower right now, so we think we are happy, but we don't know this mountain where we think, because we always think, yeah, that was so problematic, good, that is not happening in my life. But where I am standing now, do I know this stable mountain won't shake, won't take away? And I always see on that, okay, that is not happening, that means I am now happy. Why? Because we don't know what is happiness. We have not seen for many lives. We don't know what actually things are. We just know the words which has been forwarded through generations. And now we think that money, the richer we are happy. They will see that they were low, but that low is not low. That low was the higher altitude they had faced in their life. So now they think, oh, okay, I am not on that pillar now, which was higher. Now I am on this pillar, which is safe. This is my success. This is the land. But we won't know this pillar. What is the strength of the pillar? If I'm thinking this phase in my life is the pillar of success, is the only thing I had to achieve in my life, and nothing else I want to do. I will listen to the sermons. I would listen to everything good happenings around me. I will donate, I will do charity, I will do my part in such a way, such a hidden way, staying away, not touching up with the reality, not going to the people who are facing, but donating for them, actually doing so much. Are we the same Lord Buddha who was once Siddhartha, who never knew what is outside the gate? Why I always speak about him? Because I feel that my story is also same. Still, still now speaking about it, at least finding courage, not going, leaving the family like him, finding the answers from his path. What is the right he did, what was the wrong, which I feel. When he saw the sorrow attached to him, he thought that this is not the reality of the life. But when I heard his answer, when he fasted for so many days, why I don't feel contented that he didn't receive the answer. I always feel there's some other answer. With so much of sacrifice he did, so much of understanding he had for the humanity, so much he did for the humanity, for the consciousness. But what is missing? There is something missing. There is something missing from all all of the human, or all from the human. There is something which he may have heard of and which he didn't forward it. When I feel what I'm saying, then somehow the other hurdles come. The I want to say that this is what the answer you got. I always want to speak to him. The learning, the teachings, but the sacrifice you did so much. Who gave you the answer? Why the poor were still poor? Why there are still deaths? I thought he may have gone to or in search of to ask God, why all this? For what? Can we stop all this, which is so emotionless, which seems from your side? Can you tell, is this really you are doing? Why men are, people are blamed when we have so much of emotions in us? We have the suffering and we feel about the suffering about others. Then why everyone is going through all this? When I'm speaking about this, I can literally imagine him if he is asking or he's getting the answer. But the question itself shows that these questions he had, but why the things never disappeared. He found the way of enlightening others, that at least the suffering should be gone, with so much of sacrifice he did. That's why he is Lord. And why I'm not happy with so many lords on our earth. Always think about others, always think about diminishing others' sin, taking burden, making themselves responsible for others' act. Why we don't have any success story on earth with so many gods, so many lords teaching us the rights, the right path? What is that which is incomplete? We have not reached the success. Why people don't know that they had done so many things and they had become Lord, but they were not able to remove, but they have given the path. That means there is something through which they have made road for us. So many mountains in the way. What is it that we all humans still don't know? With so many gods, we are praising them, we are praying to them, but even after that, many activities which is forbidden by God, and we always followed the good path, then who are they who are crossing our path? And we never want to, I mean, we never thought of them, and we don't want to utter a single word. We don't want to say some word like, and we think our life will be hell. We are scared of them, but we love God because He always saved us. But what is it that God Himself is not telling us? We have in the books also. That means God wants us to know. It's that we don't want to speak about them. That means there are some other different powers which can be used against humanity, even if we are following God. Or I will say, you are made such a person who won't follow God, and you will praise devil. Then who made you in such a way? When you were born, you were not such kind of person. You were converted into that kind of a person. If God will states everything happens for good and shall happen for betterment, then why his shield is not increasing? Why not every human is in or protected, not protected in the shield? Why not every human is protected under that shield? Why not praying to God daily and God appearing? Where is He? But we can feel the blessing, we can feel the positiveness once which is around, once when we are safe. But what land can we say that we will be safe every time? Why you never say or state that we all are out of danger? Why is it that I have a question today to ask you? Is the land that we all people are standing on, is this land safe? So the instance which I gave, do the humanity people, do we all know where we are standing? And if we say we know where we are standing, then you know some stories, that's why you are stating. But can you show me a single authenticity from any given book written by whoever, who came from sky, who had miracles in their hands, stating the line spoken by you is authentic? So this is what we know. We don't know much about many things. The question raising and not talking about anything anti about the people we had but followed God. But still, the followers are facing. If I believe God, why I am facing? I don't want any stories given by the human stating so and so, or the book stating it happens because of our karma. Then I will state I don't have any karma. Now God comes and tell me. Now God tell me that I have not crossed the rule because this query, these answers are coming from within me. Why today I have the story, the answer about this is the earth not your territory? Oh, this is a good question. So that means I have to doubt it. So the earth is not God's territory. That's why you stay on sky. Maybe people will have much better stories than God Himself. But people want safety, people want the answer, or people look up to God finally. Then even their answer, though it may be very higher in degrees, may be higher in authenticity in their own terms, pass through them itself. It's not passed through the eyes of God. God has not authenticated those answers. So the query remains the query. So we shall have better answers in future. So this year 2021 there are many questions, correct questions, many answers which may be kind of query, and we may have more queries or more answers and answers, but the correct answer needs many authenticity, many proofs. So better we have the queries this year and the answers will come in future with more authenticities. All the mysteries will be unfold in future. I am developing myself for the future and I will answer all the questions myself. With this I end this video here. Hope to have better questions and better answers, getting geared up for the future.